Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this hand fan mechanism in Solidworks. Okay, so before I start, just I told you that I saw this mechanism on Instagram. So after watching this mechanism I thought, hey, I can make it. So here I am making this mechanism. Okay, so let's start. So click on here in design library, click on spur gear and drag it. Okay. So I'm using library that already contains all the gears. So the first gear that I'm using is module 2 and number of teeth is 25. Click OK and click close. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, go to the sketch, click on sketch, click on convert entities, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C to copy the sketch. Click yes, click OK, exit the sketch mode. Go here, click on new part, select the right plane, press Ctrl V to paste the sketch and go to the extrude up to 5 mm, click OK. After that, go to the sketch, click on sketch, select this face and draw a circle here of diameter 5 mm. Go to the features, click on extrude cut through all, click OK and delete the sketch. Delete. So we have two gears. Okay, one is that from the design library and another is from that we have made it. A question is why I made this gear, why I'm not using this gear. The reason is that I'm going to do some modification in this gear. So if I do any kind of modification in design library gear, it will mess up my whole library. That is the reason I'm not going to do any kind of modification in my design library. Okay, so drag this part and we are going to use this palette onwards. As you can see, this part is fixed and cannot be moved, so right click on it and click on float, and now we can move it. So before I start making, first thing I have to do is go to the let's say top plane. Not first select this face and select the top plane, click OK. Now select the right plane, press Ctrl plus 8, right click on it, click on sketch. So before I start making, I need to draw some lines that are basically the axis of my different gears, so that when I will do mating, it will reduce my work. Okay, and I need these lines very importantly, because when I'm trying to make it first time, it's just a mess to do the mating works. Okay, so that is the reason I'm making these lines. So the first gear, as we know, this have 25 teeth. So the next one will have so distance is uh, no, 25. That is, let me calculate it. That is 50 plus 20 divided by 2. So this is 35. Okay, and the next one is 30, 60, 80, 40. So this one is going to be 40, and one more, this 50, 25, that one, let's see what. So this one is, don't worry, I will tell you how I calculate the distance left onwards. So this one will be 50 plus 20 divided by 2, 35. Okay, so that's for all. So now let's start work on meeting. So select this face and select this, click on OK. Sorry, go here, right click, click on edit features, click on concentric, click OK. Now what we have to do is we have to make another gear. So go here, add another spur gear. This time the number of teeth on this gear is 10. So click on 10, click OK, close it, go to the mates, select this face, select this one, click OK, select this face and this face, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. As you can see, OK. So right click on it, click on here and make it concentric. So click OK. So move it here. So here you can see that now we have to define the gear mate. So what we can do, go to the mates and check this. Go to the mechanical mates, click on gear, select this phase. After that, select this phase. Instead of T diameter 5, we will enter the value of 50. I mean, 20, yeah, 50. So if I try to do animation, yeah, it's very fine. Click OK. Now, the question is how I calculate the distance. So the distance formula is quite simple. It is diameter of 2 divided by 2. Okay, so the radius of 1 and the radius of 1, r1 plus r2. As we know that the module of our gear is 2. So this gear has 25 teeth. Okay, so its diameter is 50, and again this gear has 10 teeth, so its diameter is 20. 50 plus 20, that is 70, divide by 2, that is 35, because I want the center distance, not the whole. Okay, so it's just a simple math, nothing out of blue. Now go here again, drag and drop. This time the number of teeth on the gear is 30, and make sure that the face width is 5. Close it, go to the mates, select this gear, and while mating this, make sure that you click on lock rotation. It is very necessary. Okay, so click OK, drag and drop it down, select this face and this face, click OK. After that, we need another gear of having 10 teeth. So what we can do, instead of dragging there, just simply by pressing Ctrl and right click on your mouse, drag this gear, and let's move this gear aside for a bit because we don't want it. So go to the mates, select this gear, select this gear, make sure that you use concentric. Oh, okay, and click OK. Select this face and this face, click OK. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, go downwards and rotate it. Now go to the mates, mechanical, gear, select this and this. Just when you try to do mating, you might not see this sketch in your design assembly. Okay, so how can you bring it up? So to bring it up, first click close. So what you need to do is select this gear and go here, click on tooth cut, right click on it and click on show. Okay, as you can see, it is hide now. If I right click on it and click on show, it is showing. So this is very easy way to do gear mating. Okay, and it works quite well in most cases. Go here mates, select this and this one. Again, make sure that you click on lock rotation, click OK, select this face and this face, click OK. Now I need again a gear of having 10 teeth. So what I can do is by pressing Ctrl and right click on mouse, drag it, go to the mates, select this one and this one, click on concentric, click OK, select this face and this face, click OK, move it, rotate it a little, click OK, and select this gear, go here, tooth cut, right click, click on show, go to the mates, select this one and this one. Sorry, first go to the mates, click on gear, just check a bit that it is working fine. Yeah, it is working fine, click OK. Now hide these unwanted sketches because they are just a unwanted burden, and select this one, right click, hide this done. So we have made all the gears. Now next thing we have to do is uh, we have to make the covering of this. Okay, and after that we will work on the mechanism. So go here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8. So let's see how we approach this problem. So go here, draw a circle here, uh, draw a circle here as well, select this, and instead of that we will use arc is better for this. Escape, select this and this, make it tangent, select this and this, make it tangent, and select this point and this point, select this one and this one, make it vertical. Okay, and mirror, select this and mirror about this line, click OK, go to the features, 3 mm, click OK, and after that select this face, right click on it, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So we have to make the pins here, so 5 mm, and go to the features, extrude up to 20 mm, 20 mm. 20 mm is too big, it make it 10 mm, sorry. Edit the existing component mode and drag it downwards. Go to the mates, select this face and this one, make it concentric, click OK. Similarly select this face and this one, make it concentric. Okay, it is not doing concentric. So now we have to make the outer body of it. Okay, so select this gear, click on add components. So before I make it, let's add more things here. So draw a circle here, 3 mm. Go to the features, extrude up to 10 mm, and select this face, click on scale, press Ctrl plus 8, and select the outer edges by pressing Ctrl and click on convert entities. Okay, select this one, convert entities, extrude, uh, thin feature, 3 mm, direction 2, 3 mm, click OK, press Ctrl plus 8. So just you know that we are going to delete some areas here because we want some rotation here. So let's see how we can approach it. So edit assembly component mode, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. After that go here, click on new part, select the top plane again, circle, Why it is not drawing this? Okay, circle. Okay, so we are going to draw a circle here. Let's make it little bigger, uh, just up to this side, and this diameter is 8 mm. So I want to make it up to hair length. So what I can do is go here, click on parallelogram. So select this point and this point, and to this point, go to the features, click on extrude, select this face and this one, click OK, select this face, click on, press Ctrl plus 8, click OK. Not not the full page. Go here, edit 5, click OK, exit, select this gear, click on edit components. As just remember that this gear is made by us. Okay, it is not from the design library, so you can do modification on it. So select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So draw a circle here, smart dimensions 3 mm. Select this and this, make it, press escape, select this point and this point, make it horizontal first, press Ctrl Z. Forget about it. You see that the gear x and y axis, so if I try to do horizontal it will move down here. So this is what note I want. So go to the smart dimensions, make it 12 mm, go to extrude cut through all, click OK, exit, there's some component mode, click on here, click on new part, select the top plane. So this is going to be our last part, not the last part, sorry, we are still going to make more parts after that. 10 mm, okay, exit the ascend component mode. Now we have to do some matings. Oh, before do mating, click on here, and we need to control this extrusion. So let's see, first of all let's see whether it's working or not. So if I try to rotate it, okay, I have to go to the assembly, mates, select this face and this face. So one more thing that we have issues is that it is rotating as well, so we have to control it. Select this one, let's see, select the right plane, go to the mates and select the right plane of the assembly, click OK. So if I try to rotate it, as you can see it's working quite great. Now one thing we have to do is we have to delete this unwanted area. Okay, because as you can see they are interfering and here also isn't interference. So we have to delete it. So select this one, click on edit components, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So you can, there are a thousand ways to do it. Again, it's up to you how you want to delete it. Extrude cut, reverse direction. Okay, click OK. So this looks great to me. Now we need a covering of it. So we will make cover letter onwards. So we need a fan on top of it. So fan work, I think anybody can make. Just but still, I'm making a tutorial, so I will make it. So click on here, new part, top plane, press Ctrl plus 8, and go to the features, extrude it, thin feature. Why this error is popping up? I will see later onwards why this error is here. Okay, so we need one more. So select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. 5. Okay, 'reverse direction', 10 mm. You can make it, inclined angle as per your requirement, but I'm not making inclined it. My main aim is just to show how to make it. Okay, so increase, click OK, and exaggeration component mode. Okay, now let's see where is the error. One of these entities may suppress will and no longer. Why? Delete that. Okay, actually the sketch is deleted from here, so that's the reason we got the error. So press Ctrl Z again. So we have to make a sketch here. So go here, click on add components. Remember the cut that we have made. So because of that cut, I accidentally delete the sketch here as well. So that's the reason I'm getting the error. So that's the important thing, that you know why I'm getting error and how to resolve it. 10 mm. Now go to the mates. Select this and select this one. Click. Uh, mm, select this gear, click on edit, right click, features, rebuild it. 15 mm, I guess I made it too big. Exit it. Move this upward. So if I try to, as you can see, it's working fine. Now let's do some other meetings. Go here, select this face, click on lock rotation, click OK, and move it downward. I guess up to this is fine. We can add some mechanism here if you want. Okay. Now we want to cover all these things. So what we can do is click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8, click on convert entities, select this edge, click OK, OK, don't show again, click OK, extrude it, 3 mm, click OK, select select the bottom of the face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Again by pressing Ctrl select all the edges, go to the features. Okay, I have to first convert the convert entities. Now go to the features, extrude it. Thin feature is 3 mm. Inside it, let's make it 5. Okay, exit diagonal component mode. As you can see, it is quite tiring. And select this face, click on go to edit assembly, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. We need to draw a circle here so we can, the hole is going through it. Extrude cut through all, click OK. And we have to delete some area here, so what we can do, select this part, click on add components, select this face, sorry, select this part, edit components, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, extrude cut. scroll, right click on it, click on change transparency so we can see what's inside of it. And for tool animation, what we can do is go to the motion study, increase the FPS to 30. Okay, increase the FPS rate. 35 is also fine. Now go to motor, exhausted, and let's say the RPM is 30. Click OK. Click on calculate. It is currently calculating it, so that's the reason it's look quite laggy. Now simulation is done. Now this is how it look like. Right click on rendition, disable it. Click on play. As you can see, animations still look quite good. So one way is that you either save the animations, okay, because uh, basic motion. One way is that you save the animation, but again it will take a lot of time to save the animation and do all the things. Okay, so in that way you can make this animation. And the reason the animation is lagging is because I have low spec PC. It is not a high spec PC, so it's lag in my computer. So you need to a high spec computer to see a smooth animation. Okay, here you can see it's look like it is anti-rotating, but no, it works fine. But due to I have a low spec PC, it's look like that. Okay, as you can see the animation now it's working. Now it's look great. Okay, now you can see the animation is working fine.